This is a video for Star Dancer, the Violin 1 part. Now in this piece, the big things we're going to be looking out for are counting rests, bowings, especially slurs, switching between eighth notes and quarter notes, and accents. Remember, an accent is the one where you see the sideways up bow marking on your part. And all you're going to do for the accent is use a little extra weight in your index finger at the beginning of the note. Some of our accents are going to be short quarter notes, and some of them are going to be long half notes. But for both of those, just a little extra weight in the index finger. Let's try some short quarter note accents just on your A string. 1, 2, ready, go. Good, now let's try it with some longer half notes. So we're still going to have a long note, we're just going to have that extra push at the beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, let's break up this piece into 6 chunks. So first chunk is going to be from the beginning to measure 11, then from measure 11 to measure 19, from 19 to 27, from 27 to 35, from 35 to 43, and from 43 to the end. Let's start by looking at this first section. Now we start out with 2 measures of rest, so make sure that you're counting those when we're playing with everybody. And the other thing you really want to watch out for here is your bowings, especially your slurs, and switching between those eighth notes and quarters. So the first measure we play in, measure 3, we have a P, pepperoni, za rhythm. So let's do that with bows in the air. 1, 2, ready, go. P, pepperoni, za. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. P, pepperoni, za. We're also going to have to watch out for the slurs. So let's start at measure 3, and we're going to go all the way to measure 11 with bows in the air, and look out for those slurs. 1, 2, ready, go. P, pepperoni, za, slur, half note. P, pepperoni, za, slur, half note. P, pepperoni, za, slur, quarter, quarter, slur, quarter, quarter, accent, quarter. Good, let's do that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. P, pepperoni, za, slur, half note. P, pepperoni, za, slur, half note. P, pepperoni, za, slur, quarter, quarter, slur, quarter, quarter, accent, quarter. Now let's try it with bows on the string, starting right in measure 3. 1, 2, ready, go. P, pepperoni, za, slur. Pepperoni, za, slur. P, pepperoni, za, slur, accent. Alright, let's look at the next section. So between measure 11 to 19, we're going to be looking for counting those rests. Now you notice that between measure 11 and 12, we have 4 beats of rest. So we play a quarter note and then we rest for 4 beats. So we're going to do that by counting rest 2, 3, 4. So we make sure we get all those rests in there. Let's do this with bows in the air again. Starting at measure 11, we're going to be counting our rests out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest 2, 3, 4. Up, down, rest 2, 3, 4. Up, down, rest, rest. Up, slur, up, down, slur, down, up, accent, quarter, and off. And again, we have some tricky slurs in this section, so let's do that with bows in the air one more time. We're counting those rests out loud and for those slurs. Measure 11. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, rest 2, 3, 4. Up, down, rest 2, 3, 4. Up, down, rest, rest. Up, slur, up, down, slur, down, up, accent, quarter. Let's try it with bows on the string this time. Make sure you're still counting your rests out loud with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Slur, slur, accent. Also, look out for in measure 10 and in measure 18, you have your lift set marking written in there. But in these places, we're not actually going to take a lift set. So if you want to cross those out, go ahead and do that now. In measure 10 and in measure 18, we aren't going to be taking lift sets there, even though you see the mark written. All right, let's look at our next section, which is from 19 to 27. The trickiest part about this section is going to be measures 21 and 22, because you have accents in some funny places. So the way that we're going to count this, and this is right on measure 21 and 22, we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, because that's the way our accents are split up. So we have a group of 3, and then a group of 2. Let's clap that together, and I'm going to do an extra loud clap every time I say 1. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Do it with me this time. Measure 21. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So even though you're playing even quarter notes, we want to hear those accents. Let's try it on our open A string. On A string with the accents every time we say 1. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now your accents, you always want to use that extra weight, and it's okay also if you take a little extra long bow on those. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's try it with the notes that we have written there. So B, A, and G. Measure 21 and 22. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Good. Now we're going to go back to measure 19, and here we have to be really careful about our rest. So let's do it bows in the air one time. We're starting right at measure 19, and we're going to go to the end of measure 22, and we are going to be counting those rests at the beginning. So this is the beginning of measure 19. 1, 2, ready, go, rest, rest. 3 and 4 and half note, rest. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Good, let's do that one more time. 19, 1, 2, ready, go, rest, rest. Pete. I said the wrong thing, let's try that again. Rest, rest, pepperoni, half note, rest. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then we go into some pepperonis. Let's do the whole thing, 19 to 27, with bows on the string. 1, 2, ready, go, rest, rest. Half note, rest. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, let's look at our next section. This is 27 to 35. So this looks a lot like what we just did at 19, except that we have kind of an extra quarter at the beginning of that. Now in 27, this is a place where we're going to have a lift set. So we're going to have a down, lift set, pepperoni, half note, just like that. Let's try this section with bows in the air, and we're going to be looking for that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 pattern that comes up again in measures 29 and 30. We're going to start measure 27. Watch out for your lift set. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, lift set, pepperoni, half note, rest. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Pepperoni, 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 half note, rest, 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 rest. And again, in 33, we are going to take a lift set there. So make sure you do that lift set. Let's try it bows on the string, 27 to 35. 1, 2, ready, go. Lift set, pepperoni, half note, rest. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Half note, rest, 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 rest. Also make sure that you're using fourth finger E in measure 28. We definitely want fourth finger E there. Let's look at our next chunk, which is 35 to 43. I want you to just look at your music for a second. This should look very familiar because we have the exact same thing we had in measure 3 to 11. So let's just play it right on it, measure 35. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, now we're down to our last chunk, which is from 43 to the end. We're really going to be looking for counting rests here, because it's a little different than the last section that we had that was like this. Also, we're going to have a very quick switch from arco to pits and back. We're only going to have 1 or 2 beats to be able to do that. Let's start right on 43 and clap it with me. 43, and we're going to go all the way until the end of measure 50. Just looking for counting those rests. Here we go, 43. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. Quick switch, and up, down, up, half note, half note, half note, half note. And I switched to shadow bowing in the middle of that. Sorry about that. Let's try that now, instruments up. This is measure 43. Still want you to count your rests out loud with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. Quick switch, down, slur. Half note, half note, half note, half note. And watch out for those half notes. In 49 and 50, you're really going to want to do quarter notes when we get there in the piece. You got to make sure you're using half notes. Let's just look at the very end section now. So this is 51 to the end. We're going to work backwards a little bit. We're going to start with the very last measure, which is just a pepperoni-za and off. And accents on all of these, so just use a lot of weight in your finger. Very last measure of the piece. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's go back a measure. So this is measure 53, and here we're going to have our run, pony, rhythm. Let's just do measure 53. 1, 2, ready, go. Run, pony, pony. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Run, pony. Let's put that together with measure 54. So this is the 2 measures from the end. 1, 2, ready, go. Run, pony, and let's go back one more measure. So this is measure 52. Watch out for those 2 rests at the beginning of the measure. We're going to start at the very beginning of measure 52 and go all the way to the end. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. Pepperoni, run, pony, pepperoni, run. Good, let's go all the way back to 51 so that we can practice counting our rests. This is 51. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest. Pepperoni, run, pony, pepperoni, run. Let's go back to 43 and do from 43 to the end, watching out for where all those rests are. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. Quick switch, down, slur. Half note, half note, half note. Rest, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest. Pepperoni, run, pony, run, pony, pepperoni, run. Okay, now I'm going to play through the whole piece from beginning to end. Watch out for those rests, especially those 2 measures in the beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Slur, half note. Slur, half note. Slur, slur, accent, rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Slur, slur, accent, rest, rest, rest. Half note, rest. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Lift set. Half note, rest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Half note, rest, rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. rest, rest, rest. Quick switch, slur, half note, half note, half note, rest, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest.